wanting like an everyday soft glam, this is not for you. I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video is going to be on this look right here. So this look was inspired by two photos. Jahan originally sent me this photo by Kartierbeauty, and then one of my other followers actually sent me this photo. So those are the two photos that inspired this look. I'm actually really liking it. This is like totally out of my comfort zone, like really out of my comfort zone. I didn't do my base or my lips or anything like that off camera. It was solely based on the eyes. So those of you guys who are interested in what I used on my base, I'll link my previous video in the description box down below. You can totally check that out. So let's just jump right into the video. So obviously we are going to be jumping straight into the eyes. I did put some tape on the corner of my eyes, and we are going to be using the Juvias Place, the Masquerade palette. So I'm going to give you guys a warning. It's going to be a lot of blending if you are trying it out at home. First color we're going to be going into is Xoxo. We're going to be using this color as our transition shade. My tip for when you're using colorful shadows for your transition shade is to keep the color really low when you're blending it, because when you finish blending it out, it's going to be really high anyway. So again, just keep them low. So I'm really just taking my time here and building up the color. You see what I mean? The color is so much more higher than where I initially put it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to use that to buff out the edges. Now I'm going to be taking a fluffy pencil brush and I'm going into Masquerade, which is actually a shimmer shadow. So this is going to be a little bit more difficult to actually blend out. But I'm going to use this shadow and put it in the crease and that outer V to deepen it up. Now I don't want to lose that first color that we had applied, so I'm going to go in again with the Xoxo because this needs to blend out a little bit more anyway. And I'm going to use that to lightly buff out the edges. And I'm going in again with that clean blending brush and buffing out the edges that are closer to my brow. Moving on to the lid color. Now I don't want any type of fallout on my face because obviously I've already had my base on. So I'm going to first go in with a glitter glue. This is the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and apply this all over the lid. And my lid color I'm going in with a Zola and then spraying it with a little bit of setting spray. Buff out those edges with that pencil brush that we used. You can pick up a little bit more of that dark purple if you like, which I am going to do. And what I really like about this is that when you blend that dark purple with the blue, it creates a different shade of purple. So it's going to look really nice when you finish blending it out. Now to make the lid color pop a little bit more, I'm going to go in with a white shimmer shadow, and the one that I'm using is from the Ofra Beverly Hills Highlighter, and I'm going to go in again with this white shadow. Now for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to quickly go into the AMREZY Highlighter. I'm going to take off this tape here. Move on to my lower lash line, and I'm going to be using a small angle brush, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of cheat. I'm also taking a little bit of Dahlia and applying it only in the center of my lower lash line. I'm going to apply some black liner in my waterline as well as tightening with this. This is the new Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going back into that white shadow. So what I'm going to do now is go off camera and do my wing liner and apply some lashes. So the eyes are officially done. Well, not really. But for lashes, what I used was the Eyelure Crazy RARAY lashes. These are the hashtag Crazy Glam. I don't know that's what it says. I really like these lashes. I've never used them before. I did apply a lip off camera, and just to make sure that the focus is on the eyes still, I went with nude, obviously. So this is the Jouer lip cream in the color Tawny Rose. I was going to do this off camera, but I figured you guys would probably be so pissed at me if I did it off camera and just show up here with like shit on my face. So I bought these like stickers for your face. So I'm gonna put these on. Let me bring this a little bit closer to me. Oh no, never mind. Can't do that. feel like the Caribbean version of Wonder Woman. I'm just gonna quickly set everything using my Morphe setting spray. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you will like it. If you do, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, and also please do subscribe if you haven't already.
Last in the